Hey, today we are going to be making tattoo printer fucking transfers with our 3D printers because, you know, why the fuck not? Why should they just be able to print 3D objects? Why not 2D objects and then place them on your skin and get them tattooed forever? You know what I mean? Why the fuck not? Technology is great. It's extremely simple. All you're going to need is Cura and that's about it. Oh, and also paint if you're using a .png file, because Cura doesn't like the see-through backgrounds of the PNG files, and if you put it into Cura and try and make it into a stencil, it will come up as one giant block of crap, and you don't want that. So what you need to do is you need to change it to a JPEG format, which is extremely simple. Open Paint, put the file in Paint, go File, save as, then .jpeg, and just ignore that. Right, so now you have your JPEG, which is, fuck, I forgot where it is. Is this the JPEG? That's the JPEG. Okay, so now we have the JPEG. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to copy the JPEG file into Cura and use these settings. Height 0.2 millimeters, layer height, base nothing, and then leave these as they are, or you can adjust the size when you're actually in the program. You also need to do darker is higher, because otherwise it will come out inverted, and you don't want that, because that would be stupid. And just click OK, that's it. Finished. And then you will not get anything like this unless you do settings first. But this is basically what we're aiming for. Make this bigger. Okay, so you can see all of the lines. It's 2 layers thick, which won't actually matter because of the way we attach the pen to the 3D printer. And it would go along all these lines, and print out. Okay, so getting to the settings. Alright, you will need to use, well, you should probably make a new profile in Cura. Profiles here, manage profiles, and then create a new one. I called my drawing because that's what it is, drawing basically with your 3D printer. You can also use this for drawing normally. And you're going to have to use these settings. Okay, so you can pause the video and change the settings as you like. I'll slowly scroll down. Settings. You can also have the printer speed faster than this. I just did it at 45 because that's what I feel comfortable with, and it makes the transfer better. But if you're drawing, you can actually have it up to 100 millimeters a second. Well, my 3D printer can go up to 100 millimeters a second stably, and that's with the pen fucking zip tied to the 3D printer. So yep, that's all the settings you're gonna have to do, and it's gonna take about 13 minutes. So all you have to do then is save it to the removable drive, which in my case is my SD card. It will save it as a G-code file for your printer to read, and the rest of it goes go to the printer then. Alright, so we're back at the printer, and what you're going to need for this is you're going to need 4 alligator clips, this type. Obviously a piece of paper and a piece of carbon paper. So I'm going to take a G-code that you just put on your SD card, shove it in the computer, into the freaking 3D printer. If you print over the freaking USB, you can also do that. I'm going to show you how I attach the pen. It's extremely easy. Zip tie it. One zip tie here, one zip tie here. It doesn't really matter where you put the freaking pen as long as it's attached securely. I always put my pen just below my print head, and then unlevel your bed, which is kind of sucks because obviously if you want to 3D print then you have to re-level it, but it doesn't actually take that long. So you need to unlevel your bed, drop the bed down a little bit so the nozzle isn't scraping on it. you're gonna want to make sure you don't have any filament in the tube that goes in there, or at least in the feeder. I don't have any in my feeder, because otherwise it's gonna try and feed filament in, and it's gonna go very bad. So you're gonna want to put your carbon paper face up and the normal paper on top, like this, and then attach it to your 3D printer. Make sure it's flat. If there's any wobbly bits, you're gonna have a very bad day. Then you clip it on, and there you go. And turn the printer on. Select the file you just made, and it will start heating up. So I will continue when it starts printing. Yeah, let's go. It will always do that first line as well, because it will set the level of the pen, and then after that it won't do anything. Don't print on it. Okay, and this is what you should end up with, which is pretty fucking cool. And it's still got the transfer paper on the back, and now we'll peel it off and see what we've got. There you go. One perfect Al Tribal tattoo.